You have been brainwashed to fail as an algorithmic trader. That's right. The media has been lying to you. And I'm going to show you the three biggest myths that are keeping you from becoming a profitable trader. That's right, Neo. It's time to wake up, unplug from the matrix, and break away from the brainwashing that has been holding you back. Now, it's true, most traders don't make it. The stats don't lie. There are many reasons for this, including psychology, which of course is a very important. But I think traders are failing because, well, they don't know the obvious lies and misconceptions that they hold in their head. Hi, I'm Jeff Swanson, and I have over 2 decades of experience trading the futures market. And I'm going to show you how I escaped the matrix. Our first myth is that trading is easy. Now, we've all seen ads like this. This simple indicator made me $50,000 in our back test. Follow these three signals, and you'll never lose a trade. This secret strategy prints money while you sleep. They're everywhere on YouTube, Instagram, even your email inbox. And if you're new to trading, it's easy to believe them. After all, who wouldn't want to make money that easily? But here's what they don't tell you. For every trader making money, someone else is losing it. And guess what? The ones making the money are hedge funds, proprietary trading firms, and institutions with millions, sometimes billions, to invest in research, infrastructure, and algorithmic models. Meanwhile, retail traders are led to believe they can compete with nothing more than a laptop and a handful of indicators. That's like thinking you can beat an Olympic sprinter because you bought the same shoes they wear. Let's put this in perspective. Would you trust a doctor who learned medicine from YouTube videos and 6 months of playing operation? No way. We all understand that becoming a doctor takes years of schooling, residency, and hands-on experience. Yet, somehow, people believe that mastering the financial markets, where billions of dollars move every second, can be done by watching a few trading courses and copying signals. This belief is why so many traders fail. When you think trading is easy, you don't take it seriously. You don't study risk management. You don't build robust systems. And when things go wrong, you blame yourself instead of realizing that you were set up to fail from the beginning. Here's the reality. Trading is a skill, not a shortcut. It takes years of study, practice, and refinement, just like any high-level profession. The traders who succeed aren't following gimmicks. They're building solid, tested strategies, managing risk like professionals, and continuously improving their systems. So if you've been sold on the idea that trading is easy, it's time to throw that belief out the window, because real success comes from understanding that trading is hard. And it's exactly why it can be profitable, because most people are not willing to put in the work. Here's our second myth. I'm going to make $250 per day as a day trader. It sounds so simple. $250 a day, that's $5,000 a month, $60,000 a year. That's a full-time income. I just need to catch a few small moves each day, and I'm set. It's logical, it's straightforward, and it's also completely false. This is one of the most dangerous trading myths out there because, on the surface, it seems reasonable. Unlike the flashy Lamborghini traders who claim to make millions overnight, this idea feels grounded. You're not asking for the moon, just a few consistent wins each day, and that's exactly why so many traders fall for it. Here's the problem. Markets don't care about your income goals. The market doesn't hand out money in neat, predictable $250 packages. There are good days, bad days, and days when nothing happens at all. Trying to force profits every single day leads to overtrading, revenge trading, and ultimately blowing up your account. Now let's talk about the real killers of this dream: slippage and commissions. If you're trading small time frames, every order you place has costs, and they add up fast. That $250 per day goal quickly gets eaten alive when slippage and commissions take a chunk out of every trade. Let's look at a real example. Imagine you've developed a short-term trading system. You backtest it, and it shows $22,000 in profits over a few months. Not bad, right? Now add realistic slippage and commissions, and suddenly your $22,000 shrinks to $9,000. The equity curve goes from smooth growth to long, painful drawdowns. This is exactly why hedge funds don't trade like this. Think about it. If making $250 a day was that easy, why would hedge funds spend millions on research and technology? Why would prop firms hire teams of PhDs? Why would banks maintain massive trading operations? Because consistent, daily profits from short-term trading are a fantasy. Real traders don't aim for daily profit targets. Instead, they focus on risk management over profit goals, monthly and quarterly results, not daily wins, preserving capital during challenging market conditions, building diversified strategies that work across different market regimes. Here's the bottom line: you can make money trading. But setting a fixed daily income target is like expecting the weather to drop exactly 1 inch of rain every single day. Some days will be dry, some days will flood. The only thing you can do is adapt, manage risk, and build strategies that stand the test of time. So, if you've been chasing that $250 a day dream, it's time to let it go because real traders think long term. Finally, myth number 3: unrealistic returns. Let's be real. Everyone gets into trading to make money. But how much money do you expect to make? If your answer is 50% plus per year, I have bad news. That expectation isn't just unrealistic, it's dangerous. I can't tell you how many traders I've seen come in with crazy goals like, I want a system that makes 50% per year with low drawdowns. I'm aiming for 200% plus returns. I just need the right strategy. I'll double my account every few months and compound to millions. If it were that easy, every hedge fund worldwide would be doing it. Let's look at real numbers. Here's how the best traders and funds in the world perform. The S&P 500 has averaged approximately 10% per year for over a century. Managed futures funds, run by professionals managing billions, return about 11% annually. Even elite hedge funds, with strict risk controls, rarely make more than 12 to 16% per year. The legendary Medallion Fund, arguably the most successful quant fund in history, returned 66% annually before fees. Yet new traders believe they can outperform all these with just a few indicators and a retail brokerage account. That's not trading. That's a delusion. When traders expect huge profits, they take huge risks. They over-leverage their trades. They skip risk management because it limits gains. They ignore long-term performance in favor of quick wins. And inevitably, it leads to blown accounts. Here's the truth. If you can consistently make 12 to 15% per year while keeping drawdowns under 15%, you're already outperforming most professional funds. That might not sound sexy compared to the promises of 100% returns, but it's sustainable. Think of it this way. If you made 15% annually in 10 years, you'd quadruple your account. If you made 20% annually, you'd 8 times your money in the same time. That's real wealth building, not gambling. The best traders aren't looking for get-rich-quick schemes. They're focused on sustainable risk management, building diversified systems, long-term compounding over decades. So here's the final reality check. If a hedge fund with PhDs and AI-driven algorithms struggles to hit 20% per year, what makes you think you'll do better with a laptop and some indicators? The traders who make it aren't chasing hype. They're building real systems, managing risk, and thinking long-term. So, forget the dream of doubling your account every few months. Start thinking like a professional, and you'll have a shot at real, sustainable success. Now, everything we've talked about here is a rookie mistake. Rookie mistake number 1: thinking trading is easy. Believing you can make money with a few indicators and a laptop is like thinking you can become a doctor by watching YouTube videos. Trading takes years of skill development, just like any high-level profession. The pros have PhDs, million-dollar infrastructure, and advanced algorithms, Why would they lose to a retail trader with a shortcut strategy? Avoid this mistake by treating trading like a real skill that requires time, effort, and a structured learning process. Rookie mistake number two, chasing the $250 per day fantasy. Setting daily profit goals sounds logical until you realize the market doesn't care about them. Forcing trades to hit a number leads to overtrading, revenge trading, and blowing up accounts. Slippage and commissions eat away at profits, especially on short time frames. Hedge funds don't trade this way because it doesn't work. Avoid this mistake by thinking in terms of monthly and yearly performance, not daily targets. Rookie mistake number three, expecting unrealistic returns. If a hedge fund with billions in capital, AI-driven algorithms, and a team of PhDs targets 12 to 15% per year, why would a new trader expect 50% plus? Higher returns equals higher risk, and most traders blow up before they ever get close. The best traders focus on longevity, not gambling. Avoid this mistake by setting realistic expectations and focusing on compounding over time, not overnight riches. These rookie mistakes aren't just harmless misconceptions, they are traps that keep traders like you losing money again and again. Now, I'm not saying you can't make it as a trader, I think you can, but you have to have the right mindset and the right belief systems in place. Successful traders aren't chasing shortcuts. They spend time learning to code. They spend time developing and building strategies properly. They learn about risk and how to manage risk. They become professionals. You have to start thinking like a professional. So, if you're serious about trading, stop thinking like a rookie and start thinking like a professional. Now, are you ready to make that shift? Well, now you know what's keeping most traders stuck, but that doesn't have to be you. If you want to see a real trading system and what it looks like, check out this video, Free Breakout Trading Strategy, Profitable Since 2012. I will show you a profitable trading system and give you the code. Now, if you're serious about real algo trading, check out the description below. You will find more information on how I can help you become a profitable trader. Until next time, take care.